starting Herbal Life. I did, let's see, try to get the box in here. I did a 3-day trial and absolutely loved it. And so me and my Lord are really trying to get healthy, burn the fat, and limit our meals. And I know that the best way to do that is by, of course, fasting, but then doing like meal replacements. So we decided to start Herbal Life. Y'all, I'm so excited. So it's something that I'm looking forward to because we get to do it together. And we used to work out together and stuff like that, but we've never really done any type of diet or anything like that together. So I'm really, really excited. And I'm not necessarily doing Herbal Life. Okay, hold on. I'm not necessarily doing Herbal Life to lose weight. I'm doing Herbal Life mainly for energy. I lack energy. I'm really drowsy a lot, and it could be due to the caffeine that I intake often, and it just makes me crash easily. And also just my diet in general. I used to eat pretty good, but I got back off track. So I'm going to get back on track with my eating, but then also adding Herbal Life into our diet. So I'm really hoping that this is successful, and I'm going to document this, and just wanted to show you all day one of receiving Herbal Life. We haven't started yet. We're probably going to start tomorrow, but I want to document our meal plans, the shakes that we make, the tea, and all of that. So stay tuned. Is that yours? Shalom and good morning, family. I decided to pick up the camera today and vlog my productive day today. Today is prep day. Prep day is always productive. So just wanted to take you all along on this prep day. The kiddos, 2 of them are up. Say good morning. Say good morning. So while they are up watching a movie, I'm going to get a workout in. That's my tea going off now. So I hope you all enjoy following me along on today. So let's be productive. Excuse on my crustiness, but hey, it's morning and I'm not fully together yet. So let's go. that workout was, it was a little much. I haven't worked out in a long time, but I told myself I'm going to start today, get back on track. Me and my Lord, we started Herbal Life. So, yeah, I'm trying to be productive with working out. So that was a lot because I'm still really out of shape. But I would love for you all to follow me and my Lord along on this little journey with burning the fat. So, yes. And for me, mainly, it's not about losing weight. It's more so of just feeling better. Like I need to get my energy up, get my stamina up and stuff like that. I kind of feel really like sluggish, and I hate feeling like that. So I have to change my diet, of course, and I got to start moving. So yes, so I'm excited for y'all to follow me along on that. But now I'm about to get the kids fed. You hear Finny in the background. So I'm about to get the kids fed, and I'll be back soon. Okay, y'all, I'm back now to make my first meal replacement shake for today. So I'm gonna make my shake, and while I drink that, I'm gonna do a Target grocery order. I usually always do a Target grocery order on prep day. Y'all, finish your sandwich this morning. Okay, well, when you get done with that, you can go finish Raya. Then we got school. Okay. So, y'all, I'm doing my meal replacement shake. And after that, I usually place a Target grocery order every prep day. Because, you know, I ain't got time to be going in the store with kids. I don't remember the last time I went into a grocery store with all three kids. Okay, thank you. So, I'm going to do that. And then from there, gonna put a load of laundry in before I start school with the kids. So, that is the plan. Okay, fam. After doing some much needed cleaning, I am folding clothes now. And I'm about to start dinner. I think we're gonna have some Cajun salmon with some rice or an asparagus. That's probably what we're gonna have. But other than that, that's pretty much all I'm doing. I think I'm pretty much prepped. I got everything clean. What's that funny? Oh Lord, she got a funny bone. Okay, well, anyways, I think that's all the prepping that I have to do today, y'all. I do have family coming in town, so I'm trying to get that situated for their stay, and I think we'll be done. So I really hope that y'all have a happy Sabbath, and I'll try to post some of the meals, me making the salmon, Cajun salmon, maybe a small clip of it. But other than that, I hope y'all have a happy Sabbath.